This is chapter 3. Starting now. Huh? The door just opened. Is Mom back? I should go check. By the way, why am I holding it like that? I should be holding it like a regular way. Well, how can she just no clip there? Why is my... Hey, Mom. Where did Yoklin gone? We went somewhere, sweetheart. That all the roads were closed down because of the rough weather. Wait, how do you know? Oh, the TV. And you told us to stay. Don't worry, sweetie. There shouldn't be nothing to worry about. Excuse me. There's somebody helping out yesterday's stuff. It's all real tired. Okay. Did you do? Yes, I did. I do. You grab your sister and Koy. We have some steak. Wait. I'm skeptical. So we cooking for us. Okay. But why don't you cook for chocolate, please? Go tell your sister. Ask any more questions. Go on, darling. Did Mom just not see that I was equipping this? Just like, go cook. Hey sis, Mom wants you to cook for us. And she's exhausted. You to do it. Oh, okay. I'll go ahead. Wait until... Alright, buddy, they have no clip. I'm skeptical of your mom. Because when I was in the bathroom cleaning up stuff. Okay. 2 pair of shoes. There's nothing special about them. I thought it was something cool. You can hear stuff constantly. Silly. Then cooking. Eat up, everybody. Look how happy he is. Why does this deck look so scary? And why is there only 1, 2, 3, 4? 2, 3, 4. Oh! So what does Mom not get to eat? That was a great meal. Where did Mom get the steak from, though? I should talk with Koy to Cortland. Hey, KOH. Mom is acting weird. Alright. Evidence. It. Yeah, Mom is acting weird. So today. I'm ready for tomorrow. I thought she went back into her room. This Lily area. Shit. Talk to me if you find anything, sis. Oh, there's another note. No. I'm scared. This black thing under the blender with the red thing. This must be more to this. What happened to KYO? Mom's room. Mom. My mom just got up, guys. Oh, this one. Oh my god, that's so bloody. After I'm done reading this note, I'm gonna say it's gonna be the end of the video. I think I'm going to make it me, then KOY, then and KOH, KYN. Dot dot dot. Oh no, it's getting late. Oh my god, guys. This is the end of the video. Bye.